2. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 2 gospel guitar licks that you can start using right away. First I'll break lick 1 down for you note for note so you can really see what's going on, and then I'll show you how both these licks can fit into a song. You'll see lick number 2 here in the video, but the full step-by-step breakdown for that video is over on my website, gospelpickinpost.com. I've got the link for you down in the description. You can grab the tabs for these licks there too. Alright, grab your guitar and let's get started. Lick number 1. Number 2. Lick number 1. Okay, for lick 1, we're going to start on the 3rd string, 5th fret, slide to the 3rd string, 7th fret. Then we're going to go to the 2nd string, 6th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret again, 2nd string, 6th fret. So we've got. Okay. Now we're going to go to the 3rd string, 7th fret again. This and 2nd string, 6th fret. This time we're going to pull off to the 5th fret. So that's okay. We're going to repeat that 3 times. Like that. So we got. Okay. Now the next time we go to the 3rd string, 7th fret, we're going to repeat that 1 more time, but this time when we come back to the 3rd string, 7th fret, we're going to hit it twice, and the second time we hit it, we're going to slide back to the 3rd string, 5th fret, and then pull off to the 3rd string, 3rd fret. So that. Then we're going to hit the 4th string, 5th fret, okay, and then we're going to go to the 3rd string, 3rd fret. We're going to bend that, and then the 4th string, 5th fret again. So it's like that. Like that. That. That's the timing of it. That's it right there.